Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today, asking what do you need to do today to stay in alignment with your soul? And the Seven of Pentacles came through. And it's all about today, the message is, you've created so many things in your life. Your soul has expressed many different manifestations that it has wanted to. And the message is, to keep going, to keep focusing forward and projecting your energy and what you want to manifest forward into the future. So then, see the pentacles on the tree, you can then put more pentacles on the tree as they are representing all the manifestations that you've already manifested. Okay? So it's really, really powerful for you to also, know that. And this shows as well that hard work and patience will be rewarded, and that working methodically towards accomplishments will bring success, right? So that's what you've been doing. You've been, connecting with soul. Even if you aren't consciously knowing that that's what you're doing, that's what you're doing. And you're bringing forth manifestations and desires that your heart wants to express in the physical reality. And so you have done that. And you have stayed focused, stayed patient, and you have been rewarded. And so the message is to still continue to do that. Keep getting clear on what you want, focusing forward, right, on what you want to create, okay, and know that more manifestations will be put on the tree above and harvest in your physical reality. Alrighty, let me know if this resonated. Let me know what you're manifesting in the comments. Make sure you like it so I know you like it and I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.